Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Menyoo in GTA 5 Fit Gallery Pack version. I show you guys how to do it. Check my video description for these two download link. Select this download option in Menyoo and again select the download option, and second link next to download, select the download option. After getting download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. And now double click on the bin, copy these files. After copying these files, open up new tab and navigate to the game folder. Paste the files we copied. Replace the file in the destination. You just need to select that. And then go back to downloads and right click on the menu and select extract all and select extract. And copy this menu stuff and menu.asi and go back to GTA 5 and paste it. Select the replace file in the destination. And now launch the game. And after you are in the game, you just need to press F8 key in your keyboard. And this menu will be open up, guys. In here, you can able to see lots of options. Using down arrow and up arrow key, you can choose one of these options. I'm going with teleport option. Just press enter to select it, and you can go anywhere in this list. I'm going to safe houses. Just press enter to enter the option, and now choose one of these options to go anywhere. I'm just pressing enter, and I'm in the place where it teleports. You can actually choose any option in there. I'm choosing another option and I teleported to somewhere else. And now go back using backspace key, and I'm going to choose any other options. Here are all the options listed, guys. You can actually choose one of these. To exit this menu, you just need to use the F8 key to exit the menu. And for delivery, guys, thank you.